right.
Right here?
Northeast, 3rd road.
Oh shit, I forgot it's a firecracker.
My boy's like, they're shooting! No!
The destination is on your right.
I think this is it right here, y'all.
Arrived.
Yeah, this a house. This a house right here. All right.